Why one-page CV is important. Meet John. John is a job seeker who wants to make a strong impression on potential employers. He's heard that having a one-page CV is essential, but he's not sure why. Let's dive into the reasons why a one-page CV is so important. Tip 1. Keep it concise. First, employers receive countless CVs and have limited time to review each one. By keeping your CV to one page, you're providing them with a clear and concise overview of your qualifications. Tip 2. Grab their attention. Second, a one-page CV allows you to grab the employer's attention right away. You can strategically highlight your most relevant skills, experiences, and achievements, ensuring they don't get buried among unnecessary details. Tip 3. Showcase your best. Third, a one-page CV encourages you to showcase your best accomplishments. By focusing on your most impressive achievements, you create a powerful snapshot of your capabilities that leaves a lasting impact. Tip 4. Demonstrate your organization skills. Fourth, a one-page CV demonstrates your ability to organize information effectively. Employers appreciate candidates who can present their qualifications in a concise and structured manner. Tip 5. Enhance readability. Finally, a one-page CV enhances readability. Employers can quickly skim through your CV, easily identifying key details and assessing your suitability for the role. So, whether you're a recent graduate or a seasoned professional, remember the importance of a one-page CV. By implementing these tips, John can now create a powerful one-page CV that showcases his skills and experiences effectively, increasing his chances of landing his dream job.